Hey guys, Matt from Just Wrench It here, and today I'm going to tell you what you don't want to know about your Craftsman warranty. Now this would apply to the old tools, your grandpa's tools, your dad's tools that you have, the stuff that you bought 10, 15 years ago. All your old school Craftsman stuff, the warranty is no longer lifetime and it's no longer free. Stay tuned and I will tell you why. And this morning we have an interesting task. I watched Justin Dow's video he just put out a couple of days ago on the Craftsman warranty. Long story short, I'll put a link in the description to this video, but he tried to return some impact sockets, and he was willing to compromise. He had a set, it was missing a couple pieces, and the main ones that he wanted changed out were just a few of them, so he was willing to compromise on just getting those changed out, but Lowe's wouldn't do it. And so then he went to a Sears store, and they pretty much said that they didn't have individual ones, so he would have to send it in to Craftsman. So, you know, arguably, for most intents and purposes, kind of saying that like the Craftsman warranty, as we know it, is dead. They also said in there that anything Craftsman that's used for any kind of commercial use, which that's up to them to try to verify or decide if it was, but anything that's used for commercial use of any kind is not under warranty, which doesn't sound like something that is a part of the Craftsman warranty that I remember, but that's what they're claiming now. So our task today is I want to see what they will do, because I know that they sell these individually. I have my two ratchets here, a 1/4 inch and the 1/2 inch. I don't know what happened to the 3/8. These things are old as sin. They're the old 36 tooth, I believe. They're not very fine, but they should do the job. But they're both kind of worn out. They slip gears sometimes, so I'm going to see if I can go inside and get them to exchange these and honor what's left of the Craftsman warranty. So I know they carry the products. We're going to see how much hassle they give me. I'm going to try to record at least audio. If I can while I'm in the store, we're going to see how that goes. Might not be able to, might not be something that I can hear in the recording, so I don't know. We'll see how that goes, but I'm going to go try to return them and see what happens. But before I get into that and the outcome of the video, I want to know what your guys' favorite ratchet is. I mean, everybody has kind of like their go-to ratchet or a brand that they like, but I mean specifically, like, what's the one that you have that you just, if you have a choice, you always seem to be grabbing that one over, say, another one of the similar type. Mine is this beauty from Harbor Freight. It's the 3/8 drive on one side, the 1/4 inch on the other, and it is extendable. I featured this in one of my old videos. I cannot extend it with one hand, but it's extendable. It's great for its versatility on the head, and also the extendable handle just helps out a lot. You can reach things, sometimes add leverage if you need to, and the thing's actually pretty good. Like, you would think you would, you know, break it because it's probably cheap, but actually I've put this thing under a lot of stress and it does really well. So that's my favorite ratchet, guys. What's your favorite ratchet? Comment down below, and I'm gonna go see if they'll swap these out. I'll check back with you in a minute. Okay, now we're gonna go see what happens, because they have zero. Nothing. Nada. Okay. So
if you don't get them here, you should be able to take them to any Ace Hardware and get them replaced that way too.
I don't even know. Is there one around here?
Closest one is Pickler. Wow, that just shows you one thing. They are not getting them to stores. Beaver Creek's showing one, Greenville's showing one.
You have to get a hold of Craftsman themselves for your
Okay.
Otherwise, so you can get a hold of Craftsman.
Right, and like mail it in or something.
with them. I'm not sure exactly how it works.
All right, guys. Well, what have we learned today? We've learned that the Craftsman Warranty is essentially shit, and that not only do they have issues with the returns at Lowe's, but the guy looked up everything in my area at stores. The stores, which are all, none of them are very close, have one. They're showing one in stock of the 1/4 inch and one of the 1/2 inch, which that's... Man, I'm telling you guys, I'm going to call Craftsman. There was a number in there. I'm going to call them. Sorry for my horrible camera work. I'll call them and I will see what kind of hoops they want me to jump through, but the warranty at this point, guys, I'm saying it's dead. It's dead. Like, and they said if you want to return a whole set of something, you have to have the whole set. So basically, they're only warrantying out the new shit. Like, if you have old shit, you're going to have to go to Craftsman and jump through whatever hoops they want. And it sounds like you're going to play hell getting anything actually replaced. Like the old stuff, discontinued stuff. I mean, what if they literally don't have a comparable item? I mean, this thing is just going to be a train wreck. I mean, there are plenty of other stores, I mean, and brands that seem to have no problems with the warranty, yet Craftsman is a clusterfuck. I literally just wasted like a half an hour in that store trying to find anybody who knew anything. At first I thought I was lost. I couldn't find the ratchets. Come to find out, it's because there's none there except for one 1/4 inch ratchet that was like a $30 model or something. I could tell it wasn't the one they were going to give me, and then I confirmed that. But guys, this is just ridiculous. Craftsman's dead to me. So here's what happened. An hour, no, a half an hour after they were supposed to be open, the hotline started finally working. So then I called and I finally got through to somebody after about maybe 10 minutes on hold. And I swear to God, at this point my patience was gone. Literally gone. If I hadn't got the nicest woman in the world, Patricia from Texas, doing either Craftsman or Sears. It seemed more like Sears customer support. If I hadn't gotten her, I probably would have hung up on somebody furious. But I got her, and what I did get, even though there's no stores like super close to me or whatever, that I can do this at, apparently, I got an online credit on sears.com, which I could use in a store if I wanted to, I guess, but the only pain in the ass thing about this is that I have to pay shipping and tax. So they covered the price for the ratchets in question, but not the shipping or the tax. So I'll have to pay that if I order it online. Yeah. So, yeah, I mean, that's the thing, man. Like, if it weren't for Patricia, I would be cussing up a storm about Craftsman right now. This is ridiculous. And she said Lowe's isn't going to warranty anything that wasn't bought at their store. She said if they were going to warranty something for me, they would want a receipt. And since I bought my stuff at Sears, which is where my Craftsman stuff was bought, who knows how long ago, I have to do my returns through Sears. Like, this whole thing is just so convoluted and ridiculous anymore. And now all the stuff's made in China. Like, I really got to say I'm disappointed. Very, very disappointed in Craftsman. I mean, granted, Sears screwed the pooch. Craftsman was sold at some point to Stanley Black & Decker. Y'all got to step up. Like, most people, nobody really respects Stanley or Black & Decker that much. Most of your shit sucks. So, take that bullet and you purchase Craftsman, right? You purchased it. It's yours. Honor all warranties under no limitations whatsoever. Honor all warranties, right? Because you wanted it, you got it, you paid for the name, just like we all do when we buy stuff. You wanted the name, you got the name. Honor all the warranties and, like, do right. I mean, okay, you're making stuff in China now, whatever. You can't kind of help that and keep prices low. We kind of understand that. But at least don't give us hell on the warranty. Like, this is ridiculous. You guys are... You're going to die. Like, your whole brand, everything about it is just... It's going to go belly up. I can't see it lasting much longer with everything that I've had to go through today. Just trying to get these two ratchets.
Yep.
These two ratchets warrantied out. And... And here's another thing. I could have been dishonest. I could have said, I have the 3/8 ratchet. Could have done a little bit of online research and said, yeah, here's the part number for the 3/8 ratchet. I could have done that. I'm not, because I'm honest. I'm not trying to screw anybody. But, like, I don't even have to give these back. Like, they're the one skipping teeth and the other one, I don't know. It just feels like almost locked up. But I don't even have to send them back. Like, I don't have to send them back. I still have them. I got the credit. I can buy, like, I don't know. This whole thing just sounds so stupid to me. I'm so mad at Craftsman right now. It's ridiculous. But very happy with Patricia. So that's where we're at, guys. If you can avoid it, I wouldn't buy any stuff at Lowe's, Craftsman, because they're only going to honor their own stuff, which seems kind of stupid, and who knows where Craftsman's going to be in another 10 or 15 years. But if you have old Craftsman stuff, your warranty is almost all but void. Like, I mean, you have to go through so much stuff. You have to pay additional money, shipping and tax, if you don't have a store near you that you can exchange it. Like, the warranty is on old stuff it's pretty much almost non-existent. I'm sure there's some stuff out there that there's not modern day counterparts for. You know, you're not gonna be able to exchange right. So, Kyra, thank you for ruining my video. What? You're playing and I'm trying to talk to my YouTube channel. This is ridiculous. See, this is Craftsman right here. This is how ridiculous they are.
I am not a man.
Craftsman. It's a brand of tool. You see that ratchet? That's who makes it. Craftsman. Oh, okay. Pick up the baby one.
It's not heavy.
Alright. Alright, guys. That's it. Like, I wouldn't buy Craftsman. I just wouldn't. Like, I'm sorry to haters and whatnot. I'm just...
Here,
yeah,
I'll take
it's
it
dead.
off.